Okay, I'm going to share my evolution of deer fencing here. This is a hybrid willow growing outside of our circular straw bale home. So this is hardware cloth. It's 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch mesh. This comes in, the highest roll I found is 48 inches. So what I do is I lift it 1 foot off the ground, which also gives me really nice clear access to mulching, weeding, just working with the base of this. Very helpful. And that lift then gives me a height of 5 feet, 60 inches, which is beyond the reach of the deer. And what I like about this hardware cloth versus the typical welded wire 2 by 4 inch is that they can't get their hoof in it to stand up and eat the top, which they've been doing on some of my other fences where I've used 2 by 4 welded wire. So the hardware cloth can be a little more expensive, but I kind of like the way it looks as well. Kind of has a neat look. And again, the deer can't get in there. It allows the tree to breathe. You could use the 2 by 4 welded wire fencing and wrap it with like bird netting, something that would be less expensive. That would work too. Just make sure the deer can't get their hoof in and reach up.